Attention, Amazon sellers. Wondering how to keep track of your FBA orders effortlessly? This video will show you a quick and easy way to check your FBA orders. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Simply enter your credentials and hit Sign In. Once you're in, navigate to the Orders section located in the top menu bar. Next, select Manage Orders. This will bring up a list of all your orders. By clicking here, you can effortlessly toggle between seller fulfilled and FBA orders. On this page, you can view all the details such as the order date and time, order ID, product name and status. Click on the order ID to see further details about a specific order. Here you'll find the price, buyer details, and any available buyer notes. And that's how simple it is to check your FBA orders. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Amazon tips.